Hey, good afternoon. This is Francis. This is just one of my SCADAs which I work with. He's actually a SCADA for gas plant. So I know you can see um, the visual display. The system is actually outside. So I just wanted to say one or two things. Due to my years of experience with working with different SCADAs and different departments, I've been able to, pick up very much on this, which I say, especially new intakes, not just new intakes, even the ones that are with the system do find some things difficult. If you are able to read P and IDs, either mechanical or electricals, being able to navigate HMIs or SCADAs like this won't be difficult. So, and it helps you in detecting issues and being able to troubleshoot, or maybe when the system crashes, you can actually run it manually. You get. So, looking closely, I'm actually doing a discharge presently, which you see a truck over here. Then you see where you connect it. This is an LNG truck. Liquefied natural gas, because I work with gas also. So you see it here. If you see, you can see that there is a pump here, there is a valve here, then there is a temperature gauge here to signify the temperature. If you come close, you'll be seeing minus 127 degrees Celsius, showing that the liquid LNG coming in is at a very cold state. You can see this signifies a pump, which the green lines shows flow, and showing that there is a flow at the moment. Whenever you see arrows like this, it can show green, but whenever there is an arrow showing this, shows movement. So for this now, you see that the pump is running, then it moves this way, goes like this, you see there's a valve here. Though there is a valve here, that's for the second system which has not been installed. So it goes this way, go here, it can pass through this way, but you can see it's red, showing that this valve is closed. Then it goes this way up into the system. So there's still a manual process. Then this is another valve, in the pump, which, if I had time, maybe another video, I'll be able to show you all these things physically. Then this goes this way. This is a pressure relief valve. It's in a way that it only opens when it hits a certain pressure. So, and this method is if maybe the tank is being contaminated and you want to use directly from the truck, you can just use this from this way. It goes down straight. It goes this sign. With this, you will know that this is an evaporator. Evaporator is something that changes a state of, a liquid to gas, mostly for CO2 or LNG, or even liquefied hydrogen. So it goes this way. So after this is the temperature. You can see this is the temperature at this point, because the valve is a little bit open. This is the temperature at this point at 41 degrees. You see it has gained temperature and pressure. This is a pressure of 4 bar, which comes here. This is like a pressure reducer, also comes here and gives out to the system at 0.3 bar, 0.3 MPa, that's 3 bar. So that's just how the system works. If you're able to read this system this way, I don't think there's any system that will be that difficult for you. Water systems are this way also. Not just water system, most systems in even oil and gas industries, everything here just works with pressure and temperature. So if you know the pressure, which is okay, you can go to parameters. These parameters, from here you will get to know the high and low points of each pressure, maybe the pressure for the tank or for this, it can be edited, but you have to have the right passwords to do things like that. So that's that just for today. We'll meet again some other time.